Let's make some shrimp with some pre-made tortelloni. I will love it. Can you hear this? It's the sound of the heaven. Until we wait, I will take the chance to tell a bit about today's sponsor of this video. No, just kidding, I don't have any sponsors. To do a 1K swim in 30 minutes, which is an improvement. So let's go home. Again, it is not the best setup for filming myself, because as I see, I'm barely visible. Yeah, so this is Wednesday. I had this week one strength and one running session so far, and tomorrow I will try a new sport, which will be bouldering, if I'm right. This will be so interesting, but it looks like it works better if I have different exercises and different sessions, and not just go to the gym and lift weights all the time, or just running all the time. I feel that is the exercise routine which works well for me, but if it works for several months, after I can say it is working. So I hope it is not just the start, which will last for a few weeks. Seems to be a good direction for me to be healthier and more active besides my work, because I'm sitting at my desk all day, which is not the best on the long term. we are right now at our to-dos in the city. Things like post office stuff, grocery shopping, etc. And yeah, the weather is so bad, so we can't do any outdoors activity, unfortunately, but we will see what we can do.
Video.
Okay, so right now I'm trying out this new ChatGPT viral function. I have loaded up my profile image, what I mainly use for different social platforms, and I will ask ChatGPT to make this image in Simpsons style. Bam. And now, boom, it started the generation. It says getting started and just loading and loading. And at a point it starts with a fully blurred image, and it will be clearer and clearer as we going forward. Oh my god, it's so cool. Yeah, so this is how accurate it is. So this is my profile picture and this is the result. I'm so handsome on this. It's incredible.